Hello everybody. Today we are going to understand excretion in animals. Recall how carbon dioxide is removed as waste from the body through the lungs during exhalation. Also recall that the undigested food is removed during the digestion. Let us now find out how the other waste materials are removed from the body. You may wonder where these unwanted materials come from. So answer is, when our cells perform their function, certain waste products are released. These are toxic and hence need to be removed from the body. So let us try to understand what is excretion. The process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organisms is called excretion. Excretory system in humans. The waste which is present in the blood has to be removed from the body. How can this be done? A mechanism to filter the blood is required. This is done by the blood capillaries in the kidneys. When the blood reaches the two kidneys, it contains both useful and harmful substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood. The waste dissolved in water are removed as urine. From the kidney, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through tube-like ureters. It is stored in the bladder and is passed out through urinary opening at the end of the muscular tube called urethra. Excretory system contains kidney, ureters, bladder and urethra. Let us try to understand cooling effect of evaporation. We have all experienced that we sweat on a hot summer days. The sweat contains water and salts. We have seen that sometime in summer, white patches are formed on our clothes, especially in areas like underarms. These marks are left by salts present in the sweat. Does sweat serve any other function? Yes, we know that the water kept in an earthen pot is cooler. This is because the water evaporates from the pores of the pot, which causes cooling. Similarly, when we sweat, it helps to cool our body. Excretory product in other animals. The way in which waste chemicals are removed from the body of the animal depends on the availability of water. Aquatic animals like fishes excrete cell waste as ammonia, which directly dissolves in water. Land animals like birds, lizards, snakes excrete a semi-solid, white-colored compound, uric acid. The major excretory product in humans is urea. Let us try to understand dialysis. Sometimes a person's kidney may stop working due to infection or injury. As a result of kidney failure, waste products start accumulating in the blood. Such persons cannot survive unless their blood is filtered periodically through an artificial kidney. This process is called dialysis.